Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. By the way, best wishes for the year 2024. It's today, the second day of January. Yes, January the 2nd, Tuesday 2024. We have newspaper with the regular puzzles, but also an additional. Told you earlier, four of those puzzles I will solve in the evening, but now I will do the regular puzzles, and the publisher has published extra puzzles as yeah. Usually the publisher will place two puzzles. In this case, three regular puzzles. All right. Number 7721. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. So I think it's a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. If it's a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. First question 2 is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only see one single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box. The second dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there. Do not know in which order. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? I see here one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This side, near the middle box, 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Oh, right. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes in this puzzle? I see here 2 quadra boxes. Here 1 and there 1. These 2 boxes contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and the 4. Here we have another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. I believe we have only 2 shapes. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape of this kind. Then the second shape, this one, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Let me position the camera first. These two boxes can be a 3. So one box left with a 3 in this triple box should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 2 numbers left here for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And these two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a... Well, let me wait. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and... Oh, need to wait. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. So that box should be a 1. And I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Then this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this triple box should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 5, so and that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then, let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes. And there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, -2. 8 minutes. Told you. Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be actually a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Wrong indication, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a tonight. Yes, in the evening. We will solve the 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.